guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. जैसे कि आपने कैप्शन पढ़ लिया होगा, in today's video we're going to talk about how to lighten up your intimate area. I believe no matter how modern we get, we still feel very shy to talk about intimate areas. I mean, it's such a taboo. That word is only such a taboo कि I've never seen anybody coming up to me and asking me how to lighten up their intimate area, bum or back, nothing, never, because we still feel very shy, very awkward to talk about, but to be honest, we all want to know about it. अगर हम देखा जाए, when it comes to our face, we use like so many products like face wash, serums, scrubbers, what not. But what do we use for intimate areas? Literally nothing. Like I have never seen anybody focusing on bum, back or intimate areas so much like we do for our face. We only focus on the body parts जो लोगों को दिख सकती हैं, जिस पे लोगों का focus जाए. I think below our neck we don't even give any attention. We don't even, I have seen people not using body moisturizer, nothing. बस वो face का ही ध्यान रखते हैं. And no matter which product get launched in the market, we only focus on our face and not on intimate areas, and that's why I decided to make this video. So what do you use to clean your intimate areas? Just water, but to be honest, water is not enough. It got chlorine and what not. So today I'm going to share with you these products which are 100% natural, and if you'll use them you will see effective results. But as I always tell you guys कि आपको हर product को religiously use करना पड़ेगा to see results, and to be honest they really worked for me. Yes, so the first thing is you have to clean your intimate area. So make sure you shave or you wax or you trim. I have made a lot of videos about them, so I'm going to give you link of them right here in case you guys want to watch it, like the process I like to use and everything about it. So I'm going to give you link right here, dekh lena. And now I'm going to tell you like how we have the skincare routine for our skin. Let's just have one skincare routine for an intimate area too. So the first step will be your scrubber, and here it is, the Sanfe Brightening Intimate Scrub. What I love about this one is that this got this jojoba beads जो आपकी dead skin को निकाल देता है. But even those beads are so minute कि अगर आपकी बहुत sensitive skin भी है ना, it's not going to give you any rashes or reaction. They are very smooth and soft on your skin. It exfoliates your skin naturally, and if you have odor issues, उसमें भी this really helps you. This makes your skin very smooth and very fresh. And like how we use scrubbers on our face like twice or thrice a week, बस उतनी बारी आपको इसको use करना है. This nourishes your skin deeply for a smooth and even toned skin. Keeping in mind that it is for your sensitive area, it doesn't give any rashes or irritate your skin. Give your skin the smooth texture after the first use itself. Now your second step will be Sanfe Intimate Lightening Serum. This one is 100% organic, and जिसका formulation है वो fully plant based है, so that is very good. आपको कोई भी side effect नहीं होगा. So if you have like a dark skin या आपके scars हैं, so it's going to fade up your scars, even out your skin tone. And this is a product which is not sticky on your skin at all, which I absolutely love. Also मैं जैसे आपको बताया, because it's 100% organic, तो कोई भी ना इसकी side effect नहीं है, and that's the best part. If you use these two steps, like हम अपने skin care के लिए कैसे 2 steps करते हैं, face wash लगाएंगे हम लोग तो बहुत सारे steps करते हैं, but अगर आप ये 2 steps together करोगे, the scrubber and the serum, you're gonna see a huge difference. Together they do magic. This got natural extracts of lemon and mulberry, curbs melanin production, and boosts the production of new cells for naturally brighter skin tone. And the best part is it is not chip at all. So Sanfe also got more products, like they have products for underarms, your stretch marks, your intimate areas. So in case you guys want to check out, I'm gonna give you the link in the description box below, तो आप देख लेना. So after you do these 2 steps, okay, so now we have to take care of our back and bum area also, and for that Sanfe has this brightening back and bum cream. The best part is again it's 100% natural, बिल्कुल भी चिप नहीं लगता. बहुत इजीली ना आपकी बम और बैक एरिया में ये एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. लाइक लगाते ही काफ़ी इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा ऑयली ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं लगता है आपको. एंड इफ़ यू हैव स्कार्स, इफ़ यू हैव डार्क स्किन, इफ़ यू हैव पैचेस, दिस really helps you with that. for your bootylicious glow is just perfect. 100% organic, contains peony and lemon extracts, nourishes and smoothen up your tough skin for an even toned look. अगर आपको acne और spots हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. So I've added these products in my daily routine and I've seen a huge difference. My intimate area, back or bum area feels more hydrated. It feels very fresh and moisturized because जितना भी आपकी skin dry होगी उतनी easily you will get your stretch marks or dark spots or acne and stuff like that. और ये सब जो products हैं ना उन सब चीज़ों को cover करते हैं. One thing I really understand when it comes to intimate area products, why we feel कि हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हम यूज़ करें कि नहीं करें, बिकॉज हमको लगता है कि उनमें केमिकल्स हैं. एनी वे वी आर नॉट एबल टू टॉक अबाउट इंटीमेट एरियाज. व्हाट इफ वी गेट रैशेज या हमको कुछ एलर्जी हो गई तो whom are we supposed to go to? But I just want to tell you one thing, that all these products are 100% natural. So कोई भी आपको साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होगा and you should give it a try. You have to give some good food to your other body parts also and not just your face. So make sure you take care of your intimate areas also. And if you have any question, literally any question, please comment down below. I'm gonna reply each one of you. जितना भी मुझे knowledge होगा I will share with you. And if you want me to make more videos about such topics, I can definitely make, and we can just talk about literally everything and anything. So make sure that you talk about your intimate area also. Don't feel shy or uncomfortable. It's okay, it's completely fine. It's one of our body part and we should not feel such way. I'm gonna give you links of all the products in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and try them out. Let me know how do you feel about them. Give this video a big thumbs up if you felt this was helpful and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.